What were some of the unique things you observed or you experienced when you were going through this program? It could be related to the program or the way I, do the mentorship. So, can you share one or two, unique observations or experience?
Yeah. I would like to share two important points. One point is the way the program is structured. It starts with attaining clarity and ends at building a good personal brand and changing the mindset. So the way it is staged, it gets us involved into the program, and not just getting involved but also evolving through the program is one really good thing that I have seen in the ICMP mentorship. And second thing is the way you interact. So usually I have attended prior to meeting you, I have attended one more mentorship program, but it was like in general people are just talking. Nobody's addressing the issues that are coming up. So let's say if I have a personal question, I can ask you in the program, and you definitely answer to it in the best possible way. And just like me, other people are also asking their questions, and that is a kind of a passive learning that is very important in this mentorship program that you're creating for us.
Wonderful, wonderful. Great. Kundan, thank you for your feedback, and I wish you the very best as you you already embarked on this journey of building an iconic career. And I think an iconic career is probably a few months or couple of years ahead right now. You're on that journey. So wish you the very best.